expanded to help New York farmers who grew massive amounts and now are sitting on a surplus.
The state, with their best intentions, has been very slow at issuing license. So you have 290 growers, you have 21 dispensaries.
When farmers planted last year, the state indicated there would be up to 70 open by now.
It's twofold, right? I think the state also realized how much money they were missing out on this slow rollout in sales.
With a 13% tax rate, the state is counting on legal to bring in more than $1 billion before 2028.
It's money in weed, so wherever the money goes, you must follow.
These markets expected to pop up all across New York in the months ahead.
So as we move forward, we can definitely see a lot more farmers markets popping up, hopefully not just in New York, but across America. Personally, I think it'll be really beautiful to see some of these amazing flowers and hard work of people showcased at these farmers markets. Heck, I might even head out to a farmers market myself. But all that said, let me know what you guys think about that. Do you guys think that that's a good move? Do you guys think that more states should adopt a similar type of program? Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Now, while New York is taking some great steps in terms of the farmers markets, Texas is taking 5 steps backwards as they want to ban all products derived from hemp and cannabis. So have a look at that, because that video is coming up right now.
Shouts out to Matt. Y'all need to go check out both his YouTube channels. The big homie, Ken TAC. I appreciate that. He be covering some cannabis topics and we do reviews. So yeah, like that out here.
Kidney detox superheroes of Nutriville. In the vibrant town of Nutriville, where health and happiness flourish, there lived 5 friends. Alex the apple, Carly the cranberry, Sam the spinach, Gina the ginger, and Toby the turmeric. They had a special mission to keep the residents' kidneys healthy and happy. One sunny day, they gathered by the sparkling Nutri River, their favorite meeting spot. Alex the apple was the first to speak. Hey friends, we're like superheroes for the kidneys, helping people ride bikes, scooters, and enjoy the outdoors by keeping their bodies balanced and healthy. Carly the cranberry nodded. That's right, we're like little kidney superheroes. We help flush out toxins and keep those kidneys clean. Sam the spinach added, and we're packed with vitamins and minerals that give kidneys the strength they need to work their best. Gina the ginger chimed in. Plus, we have antioxidants that fight off harmful invaders and protect those hardworking kidneys. Toby the turmeric grinned, and let's not forget my special power, curcumin. Curcumin helps reduce inflammation and supports the overall well-being of the kidneys. As they talked, the Nutriville residents started incorporating these superfoods into their meals. They made colorful salads, tasty smoothies, and hearty stews. With each bite, they knew they were giving their kidneys the love and care they deserved. And so, in Nutriville, these fruit and veggie friends continue to spread their kidney detoxifying magic. They showed everyone that taking care of their kidneys wasn't just about a quick cleanse. It was about nourishing and supporting these vital organs with Phase 100 power. Remember, friends, you can be a kidney hero too by enjoying the goodness of cranberries, apples, spinach, ginger, garlic, and turmeric. Ready to be a superhero for your health? Visit www.superfoodparents.com and join the Nutriville community to learn how to nourish your body like the residents of this vibrant town.
Everybody in New York was
Everybody in New York was calling to get down with Mr. Nice Guy. We met all kinds of customers, like this guy here. He's what we call an enhancement smoker, because he thinks that marijuana makes every activity that much better.
Mi casa su casa.
Observe.
You're Scarface, right?
Yeah.
I love Al Pacino, man. Did you ever see Son of a Woman?
Yup.
You ever seen Son of a Woman on weed? That's the way to see it, man. It's just wow.
$60, yo.
Cool, man. I got it. Did you ever see the back of a $20 bill, man?
No, I don't know, yo.
Did you ever see the back of a $20 bill on weed? Oh, there's some weird shit in there, man. There's a dude sitting in the bushes, man. Does he have a gun? I don't know, man. I don't